Hello, welcome to this series of basics of constructions. So the things that you need to know before you understand how to construct all these things is just the basics of lines and parallel lines, angles, all those. There is a separate video on those basics. You can go and watch them. Apart from that, once you understand all those concepts, so then you'll be able to understand how to use how to construct certain things. Mainly before this you also should know how to draw lines using ruler, and then how to measure an angle using protractor, how to draw using compass. So those are the things, basic things. I'm assuming that you already know all of them, so let's get into that. So the thing here is, for these constructions you need to draw a perpendicular from a point on the line. So let's say if I take, let's just take a line, just a line or line segment, doesn't matter, line or line segment A and B. If I take a point on the line, if let that point be C, I need to draw a perpendicular line here. So that has to be perpendicular, in the sense that has to be 90 degrees. So let's construct that now. So for that, in this example, there are certain questions that you might also encounter where you need to draw a certain line and then you need to take a point on that line 4 centimeter from left or right. So that depends. So if that given, draw a line which is what do you call, draw a line A and B of 5 centimeters. Take a point 2 centimeters from A, 2 centimeters. So that will be 2 centimeters. To C, that will be 2 centimeters. So that will be my point. You need to draw perpendicular, construct perpendicular on that point. So now for the sake of this example, all I'm going to take is just any line. So let's take that line, draw a line. So we'll name this as A and B, these two line segments. Let's consider these as line segments. This will be A and that will be B. That is A, that's B, that's A, that's B. Let's take a point on that. Let that point be somewhere there. That's my point C. I need to draw a construct a perpendicular from that point on the line. So for that, what I need to do is take your compass and the point, place it on point C. Draw an arc which is going to cut that line at 2 points on line AB. So let's name these 2 points as D and E. Let that be D, that is E. Those are the 2 points. So from here we got that arc actually intersected that line at 2 points. So what we'll do is, I'll take my compass again. Now this time what I'll do is, I'll take that compass and place it on D. Place it on D and I'll increase that a little bit. Place it on D and then draw an arc. Do the same thing for on point. Place the compass on point E and then again draw an arc. So you got both the arcs intersect at a point. Let's call that point F. Let's put it as F. So this will be F. Now join F and C. You can use your ruler. I'm going to draw a line, straight line here from C going through that. So according to that, now this angle is supposed to be 90 degrees, which is perpendicular. This is supposed to be 90 degrees. So let's just check that. Take your protractor and place it on AB, line AB, and the midpoint touching point C. As you can see, that's exactly 90 degrees. So this is how you construct a perpendicular line from a point on the line.